Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll show you some easy ways to fix screen flickering on your MacBook. So let's jump right into it. First, try restarting your MacBook. A fresh restart often solves temporary glitches. You can simply restart it by going in this Apple logo on top left of your corner screen and simply restart it from here. If that doesn't work, simply go to the system setting from here and check for updates on macOS. Installing updates can fix bugs that causes flickering. If you are using an external display, make sure the cable is secure and try a different port or a cable. Another tip is to reset the NVRAM RAM or PRAM. Shut down your Mac, then turn it on and immediately press Option plus Command plus P plus R. That opens up a terminal and you have to press it for about 20 seconds, and this can fix display related issues. And if none of these works, it might be hardware issue. In such cases, contacting Apple support is the best option. And that's it guys, quick ways to fix screen flickering and get back to smooth uses. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more MacBook tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.